Hey, Mark Nelson here, and today what I want to do is explain to you why Live Good is the best way to make money online today. Hands down, the best way. It's for people who are outstanding marketers, people who have had great success, but it's also for people who have never had success in MLM. And let me explain how that works. This is my Live Good back office. This is a health and wellness business. And what we have going is we market supplements, health products. And right now, as we're growing, the company is like 90 days old. It started out and redid their compensation plan, which is so exciting, but you get to check on your contact manager, your genealogy button, and I'm going to show you all that stuff. But what they do is Live Good gives you 3 sites. And this one is the site that is where we start sending people. And I'm going to show you that to the end. I'm not going to do it right now, but I'm going to go back to this site. Anyway, so I'm back here, and here's what I explain with people. We have what's called a 2x4 matrix, unbelievable system. 2x15 matrix, meaning what you have are 2 legs. And the 2 legs are, they fill up. What happens is you don't need to enroll anybody, but it's probably the best thing too. And here's what I did. This is my matrix. So this is me, and I enrolled this person, and I enrolled that person. That's the start of my legs. Okay, then we have a philosophy is get to and bless others. So here's what I did. I came in and got 2 more, and guess what? They went under this gentleman. I'm starting his business, and I'm starting that person's business. Now, the get to, it's in your best interest to go get to, and I'm going to explain how that works. But in this one, I got this person. This lady brought in her own person. Now, the first 2, when you get 2 people, you're called a bronze, and I'm going to talk about that a little bit later. But this is why I get so excited about being with me and enrolling with me and getting in our team. Okay, so this is my team. These are all the people that are taking a look at our business. All the people are taking a look and trying to see if this is for them, and it's so exciting. But this is the leaderboard of our business. Jeffrey Amon is the top enroller on our team. Edward Kaite on our team. Rob Four on our team. Tim Miller on our team. And then way down here, and I shouldn't say way down here because we have a gentleman by the name of Nick Bramble, and he is, I just want to show you his name. He's right here, and he just went what they call platinum, which is just an unbelievable level. So I'm going to share with you what happens. See, I got my 2, and then they start calling it spillover, right? I got 2 more. Well, spilled over, went to this person. 2 spilled over, went to this person. And then when I show you the leaderboard with all these people, guess what? They're filling their power lines up to where what's now, it's starting to come down and get into all of our power lines. Because I'm building my business and continuing to grow, but I'm helping other people. They're helping us too. Now, here's what's so exciting. This is a compensation plan. Right? When I talked about people that, if you're a really good marketer like Jeffrey, really good marketer. He's got people following, he's got a huge team already. But then there's this, in fact, if you don't ever enroll a single person, you could make $2,047.50 per month. Now, is it going to happen tomorrow? No, you got to be a little patient. I suggest people to get in for about a year. It takes like 6 months to a year to start making good money on this spillover. But you got to be in the right team. See, we earn income 6 ways, and this is how I start out. See, for somebody to start out, it's $49.95, or they could get a discount if they pay for a yearly. It's $139.95, and I actually suggest that if you could do that. But you can start out at $49.95, and then it's $9.95 a month. But when somebody enrolls, you get $25. So guess what? I went out and enrolled 2. I got my money back. I mean, I'm already in profit. Now it's $9.95 a month. Well, I'm enrolling people every week, every month. I am in pure profit. And all this goes down, all the way down to our legs. Now, the next one is the matrix commission, meaning that for every person that's on board, you get 2.5% of every time they pay $9.95. Every time. So at the beginning, this isn't very much. But if you have 100 people in your team, that's $25 a month. If you have 1,000 people, it's $250 a month. It just goes on and on. Because of that spillover in time, that's going to be worth a lot of money. Okay, so now this shows an example of it. Not this one. Now this is the big one. This is what I get so excited for. So excited for. This is matching bonuses. Personally enrolled 50%. Okay, so on top of the $2,047.50 or up to $16,383.50, and I'm going to show you that again, you will also match 50% of the matrix commissions on everybody you enroll, and a percentage of everybody those roll 5 generations deep. So here's what happens. If you have 10 personally enrolled people, right, and each are earning $6,000 per month in their matrix, it's going to happen. You will match 50% of what they earn, or you earn $3,000. So 10 times $30,000 a month on just 10 people building this business. And guess what? It's going to happen. Now, I talked about the first one. Here's the generational. This is, you don't enroll anybody. $2,047.50 a month. Again, is it going to happen overnight? No. You're going to have some patience. 6 months to a year, somewhere in that area. If you enroll two, $4,095.50. So here's what I did. I enrolled myself. So, and I'm a bronze, $4,095.50 up with pretty soon. I'm going to start making that money. I enrolled my wife, $2,047.50. So now I'm at $7,000 per month, one way. But you can also earn up to $16,383.50. That's why I get so excited about this industry, because we earn income 6 different ways. So let me see here. These are our products. It's life-changing products, and we're getting more and more. There are good products, there are great products, and then there are products. What we do, it's either pure products. You have multivitamin for men. Now, I want to show you this. This is pretty exciting. $9.95. Where in other places they're $47, $45, $29. Okay, that's just the vitamins for men. You have vitamins for women. You have what they call D3K2, is maintain healthy heart function. Ultra Magnesium Complex. My wife and I have always been taking that. Complete plant-based protein, organic super greens, and we take that. And there it is, $18. Right? Compare other products, $69.99, $99.99. Unbelievable, the savings, but all these products. Now, remember I showed you all those people on the leaderboard. See if I get the right one. Now, that's my team. Here's the leaderboard. Jeffrey Amon. I showed you that gentleman way down, Nick Bramble. What he did, Nick went platinum. Platinum is a really top level in our company. Nick made this our team page. And it's going to be password coded. All the training is going to be on here. So when you come on board, you just send somebody here and they do all the training for them. How exciting is that? Okay, so what we have though is on here you can access your Live Good back office. This is that we have a Telegram chat for training right now. We have 4 different funnels, and then we have promotional links. Okay, so I'm going to show you that this is mine. This is just one of them. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to go over here, and I have to put my name in, my username, and hit this, and this is what you get, right? And it says secure my top position, because people can sign up here early just to get locked in. And right here in this page is a video. So if you play that, this is our CEO, Ben Galinsky, and what he does, he just goes over all our products and all the opportunities. Just unbelievable. And then this is you are invited to grab a free spot. So what does it do? And I showed you this. It sends people here. right to this spot. This is Mark Nelson's website. So what you do is put your first name, your last name, your email, reserve my position, and guess what? The company takes over from there. I don't have to do a thing. They start saying emails, they start keeping in touch with them, and they help me build my business. Now, how cool is that? So, back to the front page. Once again, this is, in my opinion, the best way to make money online today. Live Good is the best way to make money online today. Now, I'm going to have a link below. It's Mark Nels, marknels.com/LG. marknels.com/LG. You click on that, watch that video, right? I showed you that. Watch this video where they go through and show you everything about Live Good, and then grab your free spot. That's all it is. So there you have it. You take care. Hit that link and let's get you started in this business where you can turn $10 into over $16,383 and then pay it forward residual income. How cool is that? You all take care.